batching advice feels like pressure, telling you to do everything all at once. My sheet breaks batching into stages so you never get overwhelmed. Here's how it works. I plan my topics in column C and D, the topic and the category. Then I move over to column E and F and I paste in or write in my hook and my script, and I update the status as I move along. The status tags I like to use are idea, script, filming, and posted. And that way I always know where I am in the process. And with the little filters in place, you always can know where you are, and you can just, if you just want to focus on one block, like getting ideas to the next stage or getting the stuff that's filmed, posted, you can. And that it keeps it very simple and very easy. There's no context switching. There's no open loops. It's still batching, but it's lighter, it's calmer, and it's easier to finish. Thanks for watching.